Hello everybody, my name is Bill, this is 6 Round Studio and we're back. Now if you're a regular to the channel, you know that we had some flooding up here in northern New England that ended up causing me and my family some issues, so we took some time off to get all of that cleaned up. We're mostly done, we're mostly caught up, we're back in the shop, we're back working on this Stevens favorite. So the first thing I need to do is shorten this repair that I did. I made this thing a little bit longer than was necessary. That way I could go in and exactly match the length of it to the left ear, which is in good shape. I'm going to use a small fretting saw, and I'm going to guide off the existing ear, and then we're just going to keep a nice flat profile using that, and we're going to just cut this off. And we've also got this section over here that's helping us to keep it square, in case you were wondering. And we're going to just cut this slowly and gently. Alright, so that looks really good. Now we're going to use the chisel that we sharpened in a previous video. So we're going to use that chisel and we're going to take away the epoxy and get this thing so that it exactly matches the inside dimension. So I just removed all the excess material and I got this thing shrunk down so that it's roughly the correct size. Now what I have to do is I now have to fit it to the receiver. So because this has spread out over time, because that ear was missing, I've got this thing clamped up, and I clamped it with the intention of getting this receiver, or this match of wood to metal, as close as I can get it. And if I clamp it too much, I can't actually slide it in and out, so that's about as good as I can get. At this point, what I need to do is begin to final fit this and remove as much of this ear as is necessary so that it fits into this hollow inside the receiver. But I want it to be a good tight fit. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to use something called inletting black. I recently went looking for another jar of this, and I was looking for it for a friend of mine that I'm mentoring on this kind of work, and we couldn't find any. It seems like everybody lists it, but nobody has it. So I don't know if the company that produces this went out of business or what the deal is. But what this is it's specifically made for gunsmiths. And the idea is that we're going to simply mark the edge of this metal And that'll give me a pretty clear indication of where we're hitting and where we're not. and it'll leave a telltale sign everywhere where it's making contact. And I'm going to tell you what, this goes almost all the way in. It does go all the way in. So I am thinking that by accident and by default, I've got this thing right. Oh shoot, who expected that? Yeah, showing no contact at all. Very cool. All right. So then the key to this at this point is to get it to bottom out. And then I'm going to remove the C-clamp, and hopefully that's going to keep that in place. Yeah, I still got a little bit of a gap, but I don't think anybody's going to know it. And just when I thought I was done, we discovered there's more problems. This entire receiver, this entire inletting is split. There is literally two splits. There's a split over here. There's a split over here. And I was trying to figure out why this thing wasn't fitting the way it was supposed to fit, and lo and behold, there are splits. And this one split goes all the way through to the bottom. Oh, she's massive. Alright, boys and girls, we're not done. I have to repair those splits. Now you can see how I do those repairs on some previous videos. I'm not going to show you here. You can go see this video up here where we repaired some splits on a 1905 Ithaca shotgun. When we come back, those splits will be repaired, and then we can start doing the final sanding and fitting, I think, on this this Stephen's favorite. Oh, this is frustrating. This is what restorations are all about, guys. You don't rush through this stuff. You discover things when you discover them, and then you have to deal with them. I don't know how I missed that, but I did, because sometimes things don't always work out the way you want. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, I know it's a short one. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Consider heading over to my Patreon page and signing up for Patreon. Make a comment, let me know what you think. I will see you in the next video. Oh Lord. I didn't expect this. I didn't want this to happen. Oh well. See you guys later.